Good afternoon, traders. This is AJ Trader 7, and you could tell in my voice how happy I am as a trader. I am so happy that I love what I do for a living. I don't like what I do. I love what I do. And what I love right now, I love this market. I love this market. I'm going to just kind of share with you. One of the things that makes our room very popular and why people talk about us is we're very transparent. The moderators in here, from Janny, entry, long, what I'm looking for. Janny alone is he's a beast. I love Janny more. And if you're not following him, you should. And I love it. Janny he's just a great trader. I always give him credit. And but his feed is he gives you all these entries and exits. He's a great short seller, but let me tell you, it's a joy to trade with him. It's just constant alerts from him, and he makes traders money. And I got to tell you, this is the kind of environment I love. When I walked in back into chat, the first thing I said was, I want the Dow to. I came in around 10:45, and I said, okay, I want the Dow to hit 650 to the downside, maybe 700, and then I'm going to go load up. I'm going to load up Square, ABMD, Shop, and then I'm going to go ahead and bounce it because I think we can cut it in half and probably end up around 250. So I want you to look at what's going on the Dow right now. And I said this when I walked in less than an hour ago. It's exactly what I said. So I want you to see something. Basically, SPY did exactly what I said. All right, so SPY, here's SPY, and there it is. It came down 700, and then I popped it all the way back up. And now Dow is down over only 300. And that is beautiful. All right, so what I did, live trading, and I went ahead and took some Square at my actual entry, and I'll give you an order status, was 53.84, and the stock is almost 55 a share now, 56. Okay. Then the next trade I did was ABMD. This is another trade I love to trade. It's a thin stock, but I bought it at 278.78, and the stock is now $285. You see that? 8 points. All right. This is just what we love to do at intraday trading. We could do this all day. Shop. My entry was $121.81, and the stock right now is over almost $129. Okay, and there's no hiding what I do. All right, I'm very upfront. I'm very honest, and mostly important, I'm very transparent. So when you look at my feed, what I do is I really just focus on bounce plays that are going to make us good money. And when you watch my feed, every now and then I will share with you screenshots of my entries and exits. Perfect example right here. And this is live trading. And the chat room hears me go, ding, ding, ding. That means I'm into the stock, And here's another setup here. There's my shop, 121.81. Sold some at 123.31. Stock is now almost 130. Roku. I bought the bottom. I'm having fun. And if you're not having fun in your room, I think it's time to hand them a pink slip. So I want to share with you a couple of setups we do, and I want to give a shout out again. I have to tell the man, the myth, the legend, B Trades and PSK. PSK is a phenomenal trader, and this morning he had his own idea on Netflix short, and basically it was really nice because both of our notes pretty much matched each other, and AJ squares almost 56. I love it. Hey, that's what we do. That's what we do. We're the best chat room in the world. Look at the market. Just push this stuff higher. Okay? But I want you to look at the pre-market notes, what we did here. And On Netflix, I indicated to everyone in the room that the stock would push at the open. I want you to look at this call to 270 and to fade it right back down to 260 and under. And PSK, boy, he called us out in the chat room. Phenomenal trade. It was one of his best trades today. And I want you to see the trade itself. I called for 270 topping. It hit 269.90. And there is the 260 pull right there. And it ended up going even more because the market pulled. All right. And look at SHOP. Right live. Traders. 121.81. Look at that baby. Gun show. I just made 100% on the option call on Square. You see what we do? This is fun. All right. It's about understanding how to read the market, even when we're down 3, 4, 500. I got a feel of this market so much, I can tell you what it's going to do before it does it. The Fed minutes, I told you. I even said yesterday in chat, in the webinar, that the market will typically sell off for 2 days in a row after the Fed minutes. That's what I said. So Awesomecallstrading.com was ready for it. But I also want to give a shout out to B trades on INPX. I mean, look at this trade. Look at this trade. Once again, he comes in and he walks in and he always gives us a trade. Every day you can count on him. And he gave us this one at $3.50 and he walked it all the way almost to $6. Traders, Netflix is almost $263. Look at Square, traders, almost $56 a share right now. Roku, look at them, traders. Almost 30. Was calling that. Shop, get out of its way. Huh? 8-point intraday trades. I want to share with you a couple other good ones. AGEN, and a great trade we did here by the name of DBVT. I want you to look at my pre-market notes. And I just want you to kind of take a look at what I wrote on these two. All right, so what I did on this is AGEN, I have such great short sellers in the room. And they always count on me to find them some small cap stock to have fun with. So I gave them AGN. I said, look, I don't care what it pops to, what it does. I want you to short that stock to 225, 225, 225, and under. Under. And then I gave you another one, DBVT. I looked at that and said, oh no, you're going to $4. You're going to $4 and under, and then I'll bounce you. These were my decisions in the morning. Pre-market. You want to see the stock now? Take a look at it. Don't call it magic. Call it Awesomecallstrading.com. Here is AGN, and voila, what do you got there? $2.35. Are you telling me with 3,000 buying power, you could have made $1,500 in our chat room? Oh my goodness. Next one, DBVT. Short the stock. What did I say? 4 and under. And then bounce it. DBVT, $3.60. Are you kidding me? Where does it end? Where does it end? It's too much. I can't handle. You ready for another one? I want you to look at this one here, FGEN, and I want you to look at GTAX. Look at these two. You want to see what I wrote? Got up this morning, did my homework. Stock was gapping up on FGEN. I wanted to gap fill to 41 and under and rip it and go long. Stock hit 46. You want to see it in writing before the market even opened? How about this? You ready? Sit down now. You're talking to a pro. 41 and under. Take the stock to 45 or more. Boom. What did I say on GWTX? Failed cancer-related study. Take the stock short at 20, pop to 21, scale in, and take the stock to $15 to $16. Are you ready? Are you excited? Can you believe what's going to happen here? And GTAX 20 short to 21, add into it, take it down to 16, 15, $16, 16.27. FGEN, oh my goodness, gap filled here if you went long, 41. Oh my goodness, you made 5 points to the upside. Why? Because this is what we do. This isn't magic. This is another day in the greatest chat room in the world. Are you ready for another one? Are you ready for another one? Because I can share one more with you. Okay? I don't have any problem. All right. Let's do, what should we give them, traders? What should we give them? We got so many good ones. How about I'll give you a nice one. How about Zoo? You want Zoo? This is kind of fun. Zoo, I wanted you to basically, this one was gapping up because it had an upgrade, and I figured it would sell off. So I simply said, watch the pop at open, scale in short, and gap fill all the way back down to 17. And you can look, pre-market notes, simple as that. No ands, ifs, or buts. There it is. Scale in short, room to add at the open, take it down, and just flush it down. And that's what we did. And I want to share one more with you. TLRY. I want you to look at this call, and I'll end the webinar with this. Are you ready? I wanted you to take the stock short at 79.50, pop it out of the gate towards 83 if it comes, but I wanted the stock to come down to 73.50 and then go long. Are you ready? Are you excited to see if I was right? Because I wrote this down, and here we go. TLRY. Pop at the open, scale in short, and I said 73.50, and it came down to 74.11. This is all about knowing the move before it happens. I give you the entry, the exits, and the reason why. No other chat room spends the time, the energy, or the love, or the passion finding you daily plays every day to fit your budget. And more importantly, I believe in every trader that walks into this room. They're spending money to get the best trading guidance out there. And that is what we do. So I want to thank you for joining us on December 20th, 2018. I hope you enjoyed this webinar. I will see you tomorrow on Friday. I'm in a great mood. I made just a ton of money because I love what I do. All right. So I will see you. And thank you for joining this great webinar today. All right. And if you want to join us, Awesomecalls Trading.com. Click 25 for a day. I can make you that in a blink. Or 100 for a week. I can make you that in a blink. Or 197 for a month. If you tried it annual, guess what? It's $2 a day. A click of a ticket to be in the room. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.